Well, it's a beautiful day to be down here in the Gulf of Carpentaria, up a sneaky little creek here. Some fairly tight country, as you can see. I've got snags over behind you there, got a little creek coming in there. The tide's not really doing anything. I'm not sure if that'll be a factor, but we'll get some liveys in. I've got some liveys in the bait tank and we'll put one over there and one over there, see how we go. He's definitely swimming this way. Am I rolling here? I'm not rolling on my chest yet, I'm an idiot. We are going to be on in a second. Just want to make sure he doesn't drop it. Yep, he's on. He's on. Oh no, it might be a little cod or something. No, that's not a cod. He hasn't jumped yet, but feels a bit barra-ish. Feels barra-ish. Come on, what are you doing? Yes, it looks like a barra. Yeah, oh, it's a queenie, no. Ah, you bugger. Saw the silver, I got excited. Well, I think we saw that in real time. I cast out and then got hit straight away. Unreal. All right, gonna lift him by the leader. Okay, landed. Tell you what, I'm not unhappy with this start to the day. There you go, your common queenfish. You catch loads of them around here. Even on a bad day's fishing here, you should be able to catch queenies. But yeah, this one here, I'm going to actually keep. I've got a bit of an idea to cook him on some charcoal tonight. So I'm going to put it straight in the esky. Oh, big hit. Oh, big hit. Tight and drag, he's going to the snag. Oh, he's in the sticks. Damn it. Oh. Bugger. I can see the snag there. Come on, snap off. Oh, the fish is on. Oh, I think he's out. The fish is out. You are kidding me. That's got to be a cod, man. It's got weight. Oh, I tried to go on the snag again. It's got to be a cod. Oh. Yeah, I think I got a target. Yes, good. Black spot cod. Yes. Oh, wow. Oh. Nice. Nice. Oh. He's about to spew up a couple of big crabs in there. See if I can show you. Oh, spiky bugger. Yes. That's one hell of an impressive fish, isn't it? Black spot estuary cod. Absolutely beautiful. Big crab in its mouth. We'll see if you can see that. Let's release him while he's still all good. Happy days. Oh man, you believe that? Got stuck in the sticks. I was trying to snap my line off or break the stick, and then boom, 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 the fish was back. So good. Come on, baby. Looks like he's swimming with it. Yep, on. That's not a cod. Oh, what is it? It's not a cod. It is a cod. Ah, man. Well, that one there's a gold spot cod, slightly different variety. I hope it's not going to be just a cod day. Oh, sorry, dude. Whacked him on the transom. Oh, yep, he's on. Come back, come back. Oh no, he's in the snag. Oh, he's out, it's a cod. Oh man, there must be like 10 cod living in that hole. Tell you what, they're a hell of a lot of fun. They'd have to be the perfect fish to catch because they put up a hell of a fight when you first took them up. And then when you get them near the boat, they calm down a bit. Battery bastard. Just bloody beautiful. So I've still got a dead bait out here and a live bait out there. The livey out there is really big, a mullet probably that long. Yeah, I know you haven't come here to watch me catch cod, so I really hope we get a mangrove jack or a finger mark. Obviously Barramundi's the hero, and there's plenty of them here. Just a matter of catching the buggers. They're the most frustrating fish. Oh, we might have a crab again like the other day. So that's coming in with me. It's coming in. I'm winding really, really slow. Yep, not a bad one. He's got hold of it with 2 claws. Well, one lip is actually broken. Dropped. Bugger. Oh, don't show me father-in-law that bit. He'll be spewing. They've probably arrived at camp now. Got the in-laws coming to visit. They're very, very excited to see the grandkids. And my wife and I are very, very excited for them to spend some time with the grandkids. Because it's been pretty full on. We've been on the road for a month now. And it's been pretty relentless. And I haven't caught a barra yet, so hopefully today's the day. Today's the day where it's the Barramundi video. The triumphant return to the McArthur River. Oh, yep, Barramundi! Get it out of the snag. Okay, we've got a Barramundi on the big livey. We have a Barramundi on the big livey. Get that camera on. Don't go in the snag. Oh, he ain't jumping. I swear it's a barra. Yes, yes, it's a barra. Why am I pointing the camera at me? Oh, okay, he's hooked. Pretty good. Pretty good. Come on, buddy. Let's get you in the boat. He's legal. Yes! Oh, yes. And I was just talking about the triumphant return, wasn't I? Here it is, folks. The first Barramundi of the trip. Yes. Oh. I cannot explain to you how exciting this is. I haven't had my boat Flanders on the McArthur River for 4 years. We used to live down here on the McArthur. I used to go fishing all the time. Then we had kids, we moved to Darwin. And it is good to be back. It is good to be back. I'm providing for the family tonight. Yes. We'll just go get a quick measure. Just bring you with me a bit. Alrighty. Got a little measure on my esky here. Oh, 68.5. Oh, beautiful fish. If you could put in an order for the perfect barramundi eating size. That's probably it. Well, I was starting to think there was a new codfather in town with all those cod being landed. But not today. But this fella's come along to save the day. Oh, how exciting. All right, we'll put this guy out of his misery and straighten the esky. Yeah, well, that was pretty crazy. I don't even know what I was doing at the time when that barra hooked up. I was sitting on the esky. I think I might have been having a drink of water or something. And I just looked up and the rod was bent over. So pretty exciting. Must be a crab, man. Another crab's got it. It's a crab, it has to be. As I cast over there, my line is up here, up on the mud. If it's a crab, I'll leave it in the water. Yeah, it is a crab. Looks like a male, legal size male. That's the same one as before. Okay, I've got it in the net. Sometimes that can be a silly thing to do because he'll get caught. He's already let go of the bait, so I could not have grabbed him. Could not have grabbed him without the net. He is well and truly legal. Danger, danger, good. Okay, now he just needs to let go of that with his one claw, because the other one, this claw here, is actually, this claw here is actually missing the top of the nipper. I think he'd struggle to bite me with that one. Not going to try me luck though. Come on, let go, you bastard. So close. Okay, there he is. Oh. Remind me not to net a mud crab again. Squeezy. Oh, he's full, man. He is full. Big full. What the hell? I'll just quickly measure him. I'm pretty sure he's fine. That's a good sized crab. Males only need to be 13 centimeters across to that line there. So 0, 13. Oh, he's just over 14. So even if it was a female, we could keep it. Oh, yeah, really cool. Well, it's twice I've come home with a good male mud crab. Nice and full. Oh, I'm going to be in the good books with the in-laws. We've done pretty good for time today. It's only 11 AM, so got dinner in the esky and it's still morning. But look, stick around and come home with me and we'll cook up a big feed. Stay. Safety chain on, motor off. Barramundi. Is it? What sort of fish is that, Artie?
A barramundi.
It is. It is a barramundi.
Why does it have red eyes?
There we go. Beautiful. So we've chopped up one of the fillets of that barra into little bite-sized pieces, which are going to be battered tonight. Got a bit of a salad going. Good job, Jazzy. And then get this big queenie out. That's the queen fish. Going to put it straight on the charcoal. I've put, I don't know if you can see from there, but big score lines. So I'm thinking it'll sort of separate a bit. Well, that's that. I'm going to actually close the lid. Turn it into a bit of an oven. Happy days. This is looking awesome. There we go. That queenfish. Wow. Don't know why everyone's throwing queenies back. That's beautiful.
Yeah, I agree.
There's the barra bites with some garlic aioli. That's what my dinner looks like there. A couple of barra bites, some potatoes, and some salad. Bloody beautiful.